I'm Theo Steva, Chief Scientific Officer of the Lupus Research Alliance, and I'm truly delighted to share the 2022 LRA Global Team Science Award recipients. This year's Global Team Science Award is given to 3 outstanding research teams from 14 institutions across 4 continents. With $3 million provided to each team over 3 years, the Global Team Science Award supports interdisciplinary, collaborative, and highly synergistic projects that use cutting-edge technologies to accelerate the development of effective, personalized treatments for lupus. Now, let's hear some words from this year's Global Team Science Award recipients.
I'd really like to applaud the LRA for even offering this grant mechanism for global research, independently from the benefit that expertise is not always in one country.
And without the very substantial investment of the Lupus Research Alliance, these important questions that affect the lives of lupus patients would stay unanswered.
This grant enables us to do work that we've been interested in for many years.
The title of my project is Molecular Profiles and Genetic Origins of Ancestral Phenotypic Diversity.
We're studying lupus patients who are in clinical remission, in clinical drug-free remission. When you design therapies, you have to understand what the end game is.
We are trying to identify human microbes that live in the guts of patients with lupus to better understand how they could worsen lupus, and if someday we can target them and have new treatments for patients with lupus.
This LRA award is called the Global Team Science Award, and we're very excited that we do have a global team assembled to do this.
It really allowed us to bring together experts that live in different continents and would not normally work together. And this will also help us speed up much more the ideas and research questions we have to be answered.
Expertise is found all over the world, and sometimes you need to comb the world to find exactly the right people to work with.
Involving sites globally allows us to have access to populations of patients who are not so well represented.
The LRA is unique in even offering this potential to work globally, which in these silos we live in these days with different countries having politically different opinions, it's just wonderful to see that we all in science pull in one string.
Because lupus is a global problem, and if we all work together, we can make a difference that's more meaningful.
Congratulations to the Global Team Science Award recipients. No one can do it alone, but together, many one can.